Good afternoon. This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. We are broadcasting from the live trading room. It is Tuesday, November 15th, 2011, about 30 minutes before the market close. I just want to remind the members that we do have our member e-learning tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern. You know the password. As we move into the market close, we can see that the bulls are throwing us a bullish engulf in here. Still trading within our triangle, our little tight symmetrical triangle here. I need to see proof before I get too crazy long. Although I am longer than I am short at this point, we've maintained a bullish, but be very cautious as we consolidate to the right. We've closed out a couple of positions today. Let's see, CPST we closed out as it came up through our target line. There is not a sell signal here. I trade based on profits. That's where we get the name Profit Trader from. And I collected my 10% profits on this. We also closed out GTIV. GTIV as it came up and tagged our target line for a nice little 20% on this one. GTIV could mosey itself on up, just kind of up, and up. When it starts to break out of these highs, about $8, $8.10, we're going to certainly want to be back in it. I will look to get in it on a pullback or a little bit of move to the upside over this support level, looking for a breakout of this about $8. A breakout of $8 sends it up 10, 12, 14 bucks. So this should be a good trade right here. Robert, if you're here, we were talking about this MTG a little bit ago, and you can see it now coming up, testing this little resistance line. Let me make this chart a little bit bigger. There we go. You can see it testing this resistant line. It's giving us a new day high. As it approached the new day high, the MTG triggered. And it's coming from this nice little trend right here. We've got a nice little upshot and then a pullback. I'm looking for this one to move up higher. RBCN. RBCN is another one we've had on the watch list, and I've been holding now for a couple of days. And you can see it's popped up a couple of times every time it makes a new day high on our little pullback alert, and it's starting to break out now. What we need to see is strength on this tomorrow. At worst, a little bit of consolidation maybe. Still looking for about the $13 as the first swing target, and then up higher. Our FSIN today is working out pretty nice. I'm going to shrink that chart down a little bit. There we go. FSIN, I think, I forgot who it was. Somebody closed it for some good money. I'm still kind of holding out for this little pop up. If I can get to this dot, whoop, there it is. I'm going to close this now at
order filled
8%. FSIN, you can see it moving up, made a new day, hit my target, so I'm done. I'm happy with that one. I do think this FSIN is headed higher. Just knowing that my week is going to be short, it's worth it for me to collect the money on it. Take that money to the bank. Enjoy it is what I'll do. So nice trade here. It's still moving up. You can see it moving. This chart's coming from this rally and then a pullback. And again, what this alert is doing for those with the scanner, if you want to go get the alert, it's just simply TFP up 10%, 20-day. That 10% is adjustable, by the way. You can adjust that to higher. The minimum is 10% within 20 days. And then we're looking for about a 3-day pullback, and then it starts alerting a new day high. The idea is to, what I'm trying to build here is basically a 1, 2, 3 ABC type move where we have a rally, consolidate, and a rally. Yeah, so kind of what I'm going to call a Tigger type move. You can just see the trend moving there, and then you get the bounce from here, just like Tigger would do in the cartoon, just bounce right up the trend line right there. And that gives us that nice little 1, 2, 3 ABC type move in a trend. And you can see it's still making a new day high, 779 now. Tag 779. Another chart that's setting up here. Watch the volume on this one. What is this? ENOC. You can see that trend line right there. Let's draw a couple lines on this one. Let's do this. You can see the double bottom here, and then now we have a trend line working up, and you can see where it's moved up, consolidated up, and now it's consolidated again, holding this trend line. We're trying to put in a little bullish Romy today. Certainly want to be a buyer on strength tomorrow. Aggressive traders might look at it now. One thing too with the market is we've got to see strength in the market. Let's go back to the SPY here. Nice little bullish day today, but we need to see that strength up over this the short-term downtrend line. You can see it right there, and then we've got that longer-term downtrend line that we need to get over, and then the 200-day moving average. So that's going to be important to get over those. RBCN, we'll go look at this one real quick. Just printed a new day high at 1186. Come on, chart. There we go. Really would like this to break out of yesterday's candle. That would make me very happy. Currently holding 5% in it. Just would like to see a little bit more. And as a quick reminder before the close, tonight, 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Eastern, we'll have our member e-learning tonight. And our public e-learning will be tomorrow night. Tomorrow night's password, as everyone knows, will be password 1234, and tonight is for members.